Let's start. Oh, wait.
Can't grab it.
What happened? Okay. It's fastball. It's a ball. Shermanator to Aswell. Nice pass to Shermanator. No good rebound by Rondo. Run. Nice move. No good rebound by Johannes. Passes to Dan. 2 points for Dan. It's 2-0. 2. Pass. Rodriguez. Oh, 2 points. Rodriguez. All 2. Mark Mendoza to Dan. Shot. No good rebound by number 32. Number 32. 3-point shot. Oh, no good rebound by Mark Mendoza. Mark. Oh. Tap to Haswell, 3-for-3. No good rebound by Shermanator. To Dan. To Haswell for 3. Shoot on Haswell. 5-2. Now number 32 to run. To Rodriguez. Now Rodriguez goes over. Pass to Melba for 3. Oh, 14. I know. 5 all. Up. Violation. Turnover.
You okay, Tommy?
Shermanator. You good? Alright. Number 32. Rodriguez. To Melo for 3 again. Oh, no good. Rebound by Dan. Mr. Dan. Nice stroke. Almost. Steal by Ron.
Way to push it.
Mark Mendoza to, I can see. 2 points, no good, rebound by white ball. Number 32. Oh, steal by Mark Mendoza to Ryan. To Wong. Nice pass to them. Up. Bradley. Turnover. FASC. Rodriguez. To number 32. Pass to Ron. Ron Bonda. Nice move. Pass to Rodriguez. Shot no good by Ryan. Nice pass to Shermanator for 2. He scored 7-5. Oh, steal by Shermanator. Shermanator. No good rebound by Ryan. Ryan. To Dan. Whoa! Time to pass by Dan. Mark up 3 seconds violation. Mr. DANG. 10. Number 32 to number 7. The OG Mamba. Rodriguez. Oh, Rodriguez. Fake. Yeah, good morning, Mr. And one? No.
Okay, on the floor. Who's foul, rep? Who's foul?
Number 5, Ron.
Mr. Ron. Ron Bun.
Three, no good. Rebound by
Good ball, Sherm.
Hey.
Hey, we're gonna work for it. What? Did you say what? Tyler. Oh, yeah, everybody back.
All 7.
Hello, yeah. All right.
Nice and clear.
Nice and clear, number 32. Good. Substitution, Mr. Opo Holz. Opo Holz in. Sherman out. Second free throw by number 32 is good again. So score is 9-7. 2-point lead by. Rebound by Rodriguez. Oh, that is by number 23. 3-point shot by Rodriguez. 3 points. 12-7 is the score in favor of Bulldogs.
Oh, yeah. Hey, what's the ball?
Okay. Hindi ko makita. As well to the cannon. No good. Rebound. Good backshot by number 32. 32. Behind the back. Pass to Rodriguez. No good. Rebound by number 53, Ryan. All the way. Oh, pass to turnover. Still 59.
Yeah.
3-point shot, number 32. The score is 18-9. Now, Maharaj, nice move. Number 13. Like James Harden. Oh, foul. Who's foul? Number 3? Okay, Johannes Mendoza. First personal foul and second team foul. 37 seconds remaining. Oh, number 5. Medyo malayo sa linya. No good. First free throw. We'll see the second one. It's good. 19-11. 14 seconds remaining. Signaling for the last shot, Mr. Mark Mendoza to Mr. Maharaj. 3-point shot! Thank you. Start. Now, number 32. Screen by Rodriguez. Nice pass. Oh, steal. Oh, completed. Now, Mark Mendoza to Pabalan. Mark Mendoza. Good job. Number 5. Oh, turnover? Okay. Wolves. Pass Wolves. Oh, nice pass to the cannon. 2 points. Now, run. Foul. There's a foul. Number 7, Mendoza. Mark Mendoza. Okay, 2 free throws to be awarded to number 5. Ron. James Ron.
Fast or take over? Fast or take over?
Fast. This is fast. And that one is good though.
Okay, fast.
First one is good. Second one is good again.
Parang lang ko nga. Yeah. Ang yatayat sa Eduboy pagsama.
Layup, Nagu, rebound by Ogo, behind the back by number 13. Today, pass to Mark, 3-point shot by number 13, short, rebound by number 32. To Ron, nice fake, whoop. 3-point shot by number 32, long, rebound by Rodriguez, 2 points, Rodriguez. 23-16 in favor of Bulldogs. Now Ryan to number 7, Mark goes the shot, and good rebound by number 7, Jaworski. The living legend to Rodriguez for 3. Short rebound by number 7, Mark Mendoza. Now Ryan Haswell. 3-point shot. It's good by number 53. Now number 15. 1-5. Rodriguez. To number 32. Nice pass to Ron to Rodriguez. No good rebound by Rodriguez. Shot, no good rebound by number 7, Mendoza. To Maharaj for 3! Whoa! Ron to Rodriguez. Okay, Rodriguez. To number 32. Number 5. Who lays it in? Finger roll. Yeah. 25-22. The cannon for 3. Oh! The cannon. Away. Oh, turnover. Bad pass. OG Mamba. OG Mamba, the living legend. Turnover. 3-point shot. Good. Rebound by Johannes. Number 0. Shermanito short. Rebound by Shermanito. Oh, nabitawan. Lose the ball. Three-point shot by number 32 for 3. The cannon for 3. No good. Rebound by 10. To number 3. Johannes. Nice pass to ball. Sherman Nator.
There you go. Help, come on.
Now, right back to another offensive rebound by Ron. One drop shot by Ron. Rebound by number 32. It's 30-27 in favor of Bulldogs. 3-point shot by Hazel. Another rebound by Rodriguez. Pull up. 2 points. Rodriguez. 32-27. Shermanina to Dicana. Today, nice foul. Number 32.
Take a pass. Good take, Tommy.
So 2 free throws to Mr. 35. KD Ben.
There you go. It's all right, Tommy. You got it. Next one.
It's TD. T-Ben. Good. 28-32.
There you go, sir.
Ron.
There you go. Hey, get up there. Oh, can't dribble. There you go.
Dang! Another rebound by Buchanan. Follow up, another rebound by number 32. Now number 32. 3-point shot. Another rebound by Bong.
Run.
Now Shermanator all the way. The last touch, Shermanator, number 0. Okay. Now number 15 to 32. Oh, turnover. Substitution, sub. Now Mr. Maharaji Vaughan. Okay, Mr. Hassel to the cannon for 3. Long rebound by. Okay, no rebound. Okay, now Mr. 25, 15 I mean. To the living legend, no good. Rebound by Rice. The back, all the way. No, rebound by the Mellow. Here comes Mellow. Oh, it's foul. Veterans move by the living legend, number 7. OG Mamba. So his free throw is good by Mellow. Top wraps up. Okay. Then out. The cannon out. Good. Second one is good by the living legend. The living legend. Carmelo Rahoy. Steal by number 32. 3-point shot. Oh, good. 37-28 is the score. Oh my goodness. Ang gagaling. Now number 7, Mark Mendoza. To Mr. Maharan. To Johannes. Nice pick. Steal. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now Ryan for 3. Over the backboard. White ball. And number 32. Shot by number 32. Double rebound by Ryan. Haswell. Haswell on the way. Left-handed layup by Mr. Hotshot. Haswell. Now number 15. Give it to the living legend for 3. No, rebound by Rodriguez. Pull up. No, rebound by Mark. Number 32 to number 7, Jawo. To number 15, the Mellow for 3, sure. Oh. Lays up, layering, follow up by number 0, Shermanator. Another. Number 7, Mark Mendoza to Dan. To Ryan. Nice pass to the block. Rebound. Okay, foul good. Foul up by Mr. number 13. Maharaj. Number 15. 3-point shot. Oh! Pagtira, tumakbo na pabalik. Malupit. Number 15, Rodriguez. It's a steal. No. Oh! Good luck, number 53. Oh, block again! That's back-to-back block by number 53. 3-point shot by Maharaj! Good. 40-39 in favor of Bulldogs. Now run. Number 15. To number 32. Pass to number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by Vaughn. Number 0. Shermanator. To Maharaj. Another 3. Okay. 42-40 in favor of FASC.
There you go.
Run. Oh. Ang galing naman ng pagkakasunod na yun. Alright. Sabi. No good. Number 7. Nice pass to Jay. White ball. Substitution serve. Mr. Shermanator out. Buchanan. Time out. Okay. Time out. White ball. White ball. Okay.
2.
Okay, number Ron Mondo. Number 15, Rodriguez. To Mellow Man. The Mellow Man to number 32. Mr. Baby Ama. Masinda. It's in the house. Number 7 to number 32. 3-point shot. Long. Rebound by number 23. Number 7. Nice pass! Oh! Wow, it's a nice pass, but turnover.
Apat lang yun.
Wow. It's a foul. Who's foul? Raise your hand, please. Number 15. Foul. Rodriguez. Thank you for raising your hand. Number 15. 53 to number 7. Bumor pa si Maharaj. Pero wala. Shot by number 7, Mark Mendoza. 2 points.
Watch 3.
Steal. Number 32, good defense steal. Now Dane to the cannon. 3 seconds violation. Bulldogs ball. The score is 44-40 in favor of Team Fast. The Fast works. Now number 5 to number 7 for 3. Whoa! The Melman. OG Mamba, the living legend, for 3. 44-43. The cannon, babawi. Long, rebound by Rodriguez.
Shooting, man. Cover corner.
Number 15, 3-point shot. Nothing. Only nothing. Short. Number 35, Mr. Dan. For 3, Maharaj. No good. Up. He's slapping. Mellow. Pass to number 32. Meron natang ikaw rap yung pass. 32. Parang kumikinang-kinang. Rebound by DANG. Damn.
Haba na, miss.
Sir Maharaja, James Harden moves. No rebound by Maharaj. No, tap. Whoa. Okay. Good defense. Substitution. Ano? Okay. It's all good. Hindi daw. Good defense by Fast there. No, 53.
Idol ko yun.
40 seconds. Hey. Hold it. 30 seconds. 30.
Reebok pump.
30. Good shot.
Old school, man.
That's a good shot.
Pretty good.
20 seconds.
3-point ko.
3-point shot. Now, number 15.
Reset. Watch the pressure. Reset. D, Ryan.
May pin ka pa po. Meron.
Good D. Nothing. Take it.
Ang dami mo. Hindi, ayaw ko yung pin.
5, 4, 3, 2, 2.
Okay, that's time to start of the fourth quarter. Now. Rodriguez. To number 32. To 7. To number 15. Pass to almost intercepted. To number 32. Whoa! No good. Rebound by number 3. Johannes Mendoza. Now, Ryan. All the way. No, rebound by 32. Oh. Steal by Shermanator. Nag-abang lang. Now number 23 Buchanan for 3. Oh, boom. Bounce away. 50-43 in favor of pass. Number 22. Oh, nice pass to Rodriguez. No good. Rebound by number 0. To 53 for 3. Oh, 53 for 3.
There you go.
53-43 is the score.
He called it, huh? I know.
53 for 53, huh? Number 15. To number 5 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 7 Mendoza. Mendoza to number 53 again. We'll see. No good. Rebound by last touch. Pass. Now number 7, the Mellow Man. Whoa! Power move.
Good board. Run.
No, number 7, the Terminator for 2. Ang ganda ng ngiti ni Mr. Terminator. 3-point shot by Melon. Rebound by 0. Last touch. Good. Defense. Good steal. That's a steal. By number 5, Bond. Number 15. 3-point shot. Short. I think it's a block. Another block. Now, Haswell. 2 points.
There you go. Stay there.
Number 32. To Elise. No, not Elise. Rodriguez. Turnover. Now, Haswell. For 3. No good. Rebound by Ron. Power rebound there by number 5. Whoop. Nice move by Ron. Hook shot. No good. Now, number 0. Rebound. Binatupo sa labas. Turnover. FASD.
They got their own nickname, huh?
Yeah, they got it. Now Rodriguez. To Melo for 3. Whoa! Does it 3 points? Yeah, 3 points by living legend OG Mamba Jaworski. Another 2 points by the living legend. No good. Rebound by number 7. To Shermanator. To number 23, Buchanan for 3. Long rebound by Ryan. Ryan for 3. No good. Rebound by Ryan again. Drive. Oh! Over the backboard. Sub. Substitution. Johannes out. Overruled. See. Number 32. Number 32. Reverse. Ikot-ikot. Pinasa sa number 5. Whoa. Out of bounds. Same ball. Turnover. Tumama po. Tumama. Sa number 5.
Sa kabila ito pa, makingin.
As well. 2 points. 59-46. Now Ron Banda. Tugalin-galin. Nice fake. Ang lakas. Number 13 to number 53. Oh, nice crossover, lays it in by number 53. The score is 61-46 in favor of up, backing. Good defense, number 0, substitution. Matindi, number 0. The Sherman Nato. Number 53. Nice pass! To Mark. 2 points. 3-point shot by number 32. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Whoa! 2 points. 3-point shot by OG Mamba. Ang ganda ng takbo. Ryan, nice pass to Deng. 2 points Deng. Oh. 3-point shot by Rodriguez, long. Number 7. Buchanan for 3. Oh, Buchanan for 3. Pabalan. 3-point shot by number 32. No good. Rebound by Chris Pabalan. 3-point shot by Pabalan. No good. Rebound by Maharaj. 3-point shot by Maharaj. No good. Rebound by Chris Pabalan for 3. Long rebound by number 7. Foul. Foul. Number 7 foul. Sub. Time out. Yeah. Apat lang. 3-point shot by Rodriguez. Long. Rebound by number 32. Same ball. Oh, foul. It's a foul. Number 53, foul. Ryan Haswell. Rodriguez, no good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 53 to Buchanan quickly. Another 3-point by Buchanan. 73-49 in favor of Bad. 3-point shot by OG Mamba. Uwi na. Wala. Alright, 36 seconds. 3-point shot by Aswell. No good. Rebound by number 32 for 3. Whoa, number 32, 3-point. 52-73. Now, Mr. Maharaj, number 13 to Buchanan. That's it. Okay, that's it.